Okay, we're in Target. Let's go. Alright, let's see what's on the pegs. What is a sea case? Alright, there's nothing there. We are at a different store. And we're checking out what they have. No chase on the Auto World. Let's see.
This way, Alex.
Oh, they dropped a Eclipse here. Yep. We missed that one. Let's see, what do they have? Oh, they dropped the whatever, what you call it, Back to the Future. And oh, look at this. Peg warmers. Oh, peg warmers. Including up there. Oh, peg warmers. Oh my god. Dumping galore. Alright, let me check. Alright, there's nothing in this bin or that bin right there. So we're gonna go and check to see if there's another store. I did notice this M2 though. It's a Chevy Camaro new M2. There's no chase. Oh, it doesn't have a chase. Yeah, it doesn't have a chase. And I also saw this guy. It's a Plymouth Roadrunner. Doesn't have a chase. And that's it, nothing else. Let's see what else is here. Or these are new from Jada. That's new. Another Dodge Charger. That's new. Whoa. This is a cool Shelby. They're huge. Got a Dodge Charger right here. And they're huge. This is Camaro. Another Camaro Corvette. Johnny Lightning. Got a Subi. And Volkswagen. There's no chase. I didn't find any chase. No chase. Nothing got left behind. Alright, gotta go. Back to the Future is gone already. Alright, time to go. Alright, we went to an afternoon random hunt. Let's go. Alright, let's see what's left. It smells like shit. Oh, it's 2000. I'm not sure if you guys are smelling it, but I'm smelling crap or shit in here. Oh, there's the new wave is not here. New wave Matchbox is not here. We only have the old stuff. Oh, what's this guy? Nothing. No chase. What's the chase on this guy? Overstock. How about this guy? Overstock. Huh. Nothing. Man, this store doesn't update their stuff. There's a lot of Corvair. This one comes with a Mercedes and a Mustang. Mustangs are all gone. Let's see what else is here. Ugh, the dreaded graveyard bin. Look, they have the new Dodge Viper bin. I wonder what's in here. Let's just dump. Alright, let me check. Alright, we went to Dollar Tree and it looks like nothing. Somebody's been here already, so this is an F case. Yeah, somebody's been here. They have a lot of Hot Wheels this time. But we are not first. Let's see. Nothing. Oh, someone did my style, or this is my style. Somebody's saying they were here already. There's a lot of this moon eyes. See right there? See, there's a lot of moon eyes. So many. Did you know that this EV headlight is a positive and negative symbol for electric? You see that? That's a cool feature that they added on that casting for this custom Honda E. So that's that. Alright, let me go through this. Alright, there's nothing in there, so we're gonna check the Aldi next. Alright, looks like Aldi is empty. Just a Lego set. And this Mr. Beast stuff. Nothing else. There's a Lego. I see no Hot Wheels. Alright, time to go. One thing I did notice is this. You can use this Aldi for diorama. It's not that bad, but it's 17 bucks. But I think if you're gonna try to create a diorama for your 1/64 scale, this would be cool though. Has your cart and all that stuff. What do you think about that one? There's another one. Yeah, they're all the same. I don't see anything else. Let me look around. Alright, we didn't find any Hot Wheels in Aldi, so we may have to check another store. Let's see what's new. There's nothing new. A lot of Volkswagen, $4.99. Let's see what's up. Nothing. How much is this here? Ooh, 19 bucks. So we scored from this guy. It's a 5-pack JDM. Let's see. It has a Toyota Supra, Miata, Skyline, Civic, Acura Integra, and a Datsun 510, which is a cool set. Cool. Let's see if they ooh, it looks very slim. I doubt there's anything here. Alright. A lot of peg warmers. Oh my goodness. Let's see. I don't see anything. They're all Fast and Furious. Yeah, I don't think there's anything good here. Alright. Time to go. Well, looks like the bear is tired also from hunting. So we have another box to unbox. Let's go ahead and open this. See what's inside. It's small. Oh, this was my son ordered this guy, Deadpool, for I forgot his name, Colossus, which is not that bad. Forgot about him. It just came in. Oh, is this a pre-order? Yeah, we're trying to complete this 4. Oh, he's gonna like this. I didn't think it was that big. This is 6 inches. I was hoping it would be a little taller. Maybe it's taller because it's split up. It could be taller. We'll see. That's cool. Alright. Well, that came from today. Alright, another big box. Let's see what's inside. I usually don't mention where I get my stuff because I don't want, it's not a sponsored box. If the companies do find out that I bought from them, well, feel free to ping me if you are, you know, what's inside this box. So let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, we have a sealed box. Oh, it's from the Q case. We have a Q case. Ooh, I can't remember what Q case is, but it's sealed, single. It's a sealed box. So I'm gonna do that later. So what do we have? What else do we have? Dun, dun, dun. Guess what that is? Guess what that is? Can you see what you... Can you guys see what's inside? Let me crack it open. So, I think I told you guys I have much of these except for the chase. And now, ta-da! I have the chase. I have the Nissan Skyline R32 chase. Very, very rad. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna keep the paper so that it doesn't mess up this one. And there's another one. Let's see what this is. Dun, dun, dun. That's what I have. Oh, guess what that is? See the color? It's another super that I couldn't find in the wild. It's a Nissan 180 SX. It's a super treasure hunt. It's right there. And it's sealed. It's right there. It's, you can see, I'm not sure if you can see it. It's a super treasure hunt for the 180 SX. Alright, so that's that. So that's one of the quality things that I've been getting. And I think I might have mistaken another one. So that's that. I think we're gonna see if I got a chase on this Q box. It's sealed, so I'm gonna make a different video for this. So hang tight. So this one directly came from Mattel. and it's the Q case. As you can see, has not been altered at all. So there's a chance that we might get a chase. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. So let me prep the table, and we're gonna do some surgery on this box. Okay, so this is the Thrill Climbers. So let's go ahead and crack it open. We're gonna do a blind unboxing. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna individually take the card out without having to look at it when we pick it from the box. So we're all gonna be, I don't know, surprised if we did get the chase or not. So the chase on this guy is the Bel Air. So let's go ahead and pick one. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, that's the Lancia. Alright. Actually, this one just came in. There's another Lancia. I pre-ordered this prior to going to the wild, so you know, seeing this. Oh, the dreaded Porsche Rally. I don't want to see what I got. Dun, dun, dun. Another Porsche. Let's see what else. What are we gonna get? Black Mercedes. Okay. Oh. If there are two black Mercedes, what does that mean? There's no chase? I don't think we got the chase. I don't think we got the chase. Oh, the Lancia Delta. I don't think we got the chase. I don't think we got the chase. I doubt it. Yeah. We didn't get the Bel Air. It's empty. Ay, ay, ay. One box. All main lines. We didn't get it. We did not get it. I should have waited and waited. So that's all, folks. I didn't get the Chevy Bel Air Gold. Well, there's always the next time until something comes up, right? So that's it. No chase for this box.